Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video. So today I'm gonna share with you how you can download WeChat Messenger in your device. So it's really simple. You need to go Google Play Store. So I'm just going to click Google Play Store app, or you can also download it from App Store. So search here WeChat, then you will get the WeChat app. So initially, if you don't install it, then you will get the install button. I have already installed it in my device, that's why I see open and uninstall. So you'll see install button, simply click install button, then it will download and install in your device. So it takes few moments to download. So okay friend, today is Noman. Thank you for watching this video.